Discover Science with Dr. Didi. Okay, you guys, 3 water drops are in the clouds and they see amazing things down on Earth. So they want to jump down to travel there. And it starts to rain! Oh no! Let's observe the falling water drops.
Discover Science.
Today's materials: water drop board kit, handles, a straw, a string, and stickers. So we're going to make a water drop board. We have all our pieces ready. First, take the number 2 and 3 frames, and we're going to put them into each other. So take number 3 and put number 2 over it like this, okay? And then take the other number 2, push, very easy, and then take number 3 and put it over here and push into the board. Okay, so now you should have something like this. Looks like a rectangle. Okay, now take number 1 board and put it right on top. Push, push, push. Okay. There we go. Snap into place. All right, we have something like this. All right, looking good. Okay, this time, take your straw, put the board on the bottom, take your straw and make it go straight through your rectangle or your board, number 2 board. So it looks like this, okay? This time, take your string. Take your string and go through board number 3. Make it go around the straw. This one takes a little bit of work. All right. Up. And then make it go through the other number 3 board, like this. All right, so it looks like this, right? You can pull on both sides, but the yellow straw is still, okay? Now, after this, we're going to put board number 1 on top and snap it into place. Oh, whew. Okay, there we go. Now, I'm going to take these 2 cute earrings. Woohoo! All right, take your string, put it through the small hole, and tie it together. So, tie, tie, tie. Let's see. Okay, now take the other one, same thing. Make it go through the small hole and tie it together. So now you have 2 handles. Can pull on both sides, right? Now let's take our stickers, open them up, and look, there's 2 water drops, but it's actually 1. So we're going to take our straw and put it on our straw like this, and then fold it over and make it into 1 water drop. So this is what you should have. It should look like this, okay? 1 water drop. Now take the other sticker and do the same for the other side of the straw. Perfect. Ta-da! And what do you do with this? These are extras. When we're done, you can play with it or make it into a necklace or roll it around. I don't know. Okay, now that our water drops are ready, I'm going to pull on both sides. Nothing's happening. The water drops are not moving. Now I'm going to let go of this hand just a little bit. Do you see? Let's try again. All right, I'm going to let go of this hand on the bottom. Okay, again, bottom hand, letting go a little bit, little bit, little bit. And you can see the water drop is moving around, right? Now, try again. Try again. But if I pull on both sides, it just stays still, right? But if I let go of one side, it drops and the water drop, oops, pulled too hard. Anyways, so when we pulled on both sides very hard, the water drops did not move, right? Why? Well, let me take this part off and show you the inside again. Remember, we tied the string around the straw, and when we pull both sides, what happens? It's too tight. It's too tight so the water drop cannot move, right? But if I let go of one side, then it can move, right? Just like this. But once again, if I pull both sides, it's too tight and the friction, right, cannot move the water. So once again, the friction force is high, so the string cannot move, the water drops cannot move. If the friction is low, then there's more movement. Now, have you ever seen in the sky a balloon? Very beautiful, right? Or a parachute too. Both are the same. Because of the air resistance, it can stay up in the air and slowly come down. If there was no air resistance, for example, if there was no balloon or no float or parachute, then it would go phew and just drop to the ground.